Oh.
eastern Jefferson
Hello.
County in southeastern Nebraska until 3:15 p.m. At 12:16 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beatrice, Philly, Virginia, Holmesville, Rockford, Rockford State Recreation Area, and Homestead National Historical Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Big se me va a pasar, pero la...
At noon in Lincoln,